Insert chapter number 13, exponent in power, exercise number 13.2. Your page number is 260. Question 1. Using law of exponent, simplify and write answer in exponential form. Normally, I write all the question one after the another. This time I am doing it little differently. I'll be writing one question after the another. So this is the question, sub question 1. You can pause the video and solve yourself, and then later on once you complete, you play the video and confirm your answers with mine one. Now question 1, we need to simplify, and now just pay attention what it mentioned in the question, that the answer in exponential form. So we don't want to find the exact answer, the complete, the last step complete a solution. We just put it in the exponential form. So now my first sub question is 3 square into 3 to the power 4 and then into 3 to the power 8. Now before applying a multiplication law, we need to make sure whether our base is same or not. So here the base is a 3 in all of them. So when the base is same, so what we do? We add powers in case of multiplication. So 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8. So my answer will be 3 to the power 6 plus 8, that comes out to be 14. Now I'll move on to the next question. These are very simple, but we need to solve them and make a good practice of it. Second one, 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. Here we have to apply. See, again, first thing we need to make sure that the base is same, So now my base is same, 6. Now I will be applying the law of divide. So what is the law of divide? Is when the base is same, you need to subtract power of denominator from the power of numerator. So now 6 raised to 15 minus 10, and that comes out to be 6 raised to 5. So now I'll move to the next one, the third one. A cube into a square. The third one, a cube into a square. Now again, base is same, that is a, operation is multiplication. So what my laws of exponential laws say, when in case of multiplication, when base is same, add powers. So a raised to 3 plus 2, that is a raised to 5. So now again, you need to, if you find that I am going a little fast, then you can pause the video, you can play back and play back and forth. So now I'll be solving next question, that is the fourth one. 7 raised to x into 7 raised to 2, the fourth one. 7 raised to x into 7 raised to 2. So again my base is same. So in case of multiplication, addition of powers. So my ultimate answer is 7 raised to x plus 2. Now I'll move on to the fifth one. Now since already I told you the page number and exercise, you can solve all of the complete question, and then you can play video and check as well. So you already have a copy of the book with you. Fifth one is 5 square raised to the power 3 divided by 5 cube. Now here we will be applying two laws. The first law is for this one, power to power. So what we do, when there is a power to power, we do 5 raised to the power 2 into 3 and divided by 5 cube. So my next step will be 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 3. Here I applied the rule of power. So my ultimate answer will be 5 raised to 6 minus 3. That is 5 raised to 3. Now the sixth question, 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. So now my sixth one, 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. Now here nothing can be solved because already see the my base is not same, so I won't be able to apply the law of multiplication over here. So the next step, this problem cannot be solved to the further steps because the base is not same. So the answer is 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. That's it. Nothing can be done. Move on to the seventh one. A raised to, in similar manner, A raised to 4 into B raised to 4. Again, A raised to 4 into B to the power 4. Yeah. So again, here my base is not same. So I won't be able to apply the law of exponent in this case. So this is to the best simplified form already. So nothing can be done about it. Now I'll move to the eighth one. 3 raised to 4 raised to 3. 3 raised to 4 raised to 3. Here I will be applying the rule of power to power. So 3 raised to 4 into 3, that is equal to 3 raised to 12. Now I will move on to the ninth one. 2 raised to 20. 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15 bracket into 2 raised to 3. Now here first you can sort out this one and then you can do this one, or even if you do straight away by putting 2 raised to 15 on the denominator side, that should be okay. Yeah, now I'll do, since they have applied a bracket, I'll solve this first one. So since the base is same, operation is divide, so I'll apply the rule of divide. So 2 raised to 20 minus 15, and here again a multiplication, but that I'll do on the next step, 2 raised to 3. So here the next step my answer will be 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3. Here my base is same, operation is multiplication. So 2 raised to 5 plus 3, that comes out to be 2 raised to 8. And now the last one, 8 raised to t into divided by 8 raised to 2. 8 raised to t, 8 raised to t divided by 8 raised to 2. Here again my base is same, operation is division, so my ultimate answer will be 8 raised to t minus 2. See, why t minus 2, why 2 minus t is not? Because I am subtracting the power of denominator from the numerator. You need to understand that very clearly, and precisely remember that the laws are that when there is a multiplication of the base, when the base is same, it's an addition. When power of power will be doing a multiplication of the power. When division will be subtracting the power of denominator from the power of numerator. In when the any base raised to the zero, so that comes out to be 1.